Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about best free budgeting applications. If you're looking for a powerful budgeting tool but don't want to spend money on a subscription, you're in luck. Because there are several free budgeting applications that can help you track expenses, save more, and take control of your financial future, all without paying a dime. Let's dive into the top free budgeting applications and how they differ. First one, we have Mint. Mint has been a fan favorite for years, and for a good reason. It's all-in-one budgeting application that syncs with your bank accounts, categorizes transactions automatically, and gives you detailed spending insights. You'll also get bill reminders, subscription tracking, and even free credit score monitoring. If you want a fully automated budget tracker without much manual input, Mint is a top choice. Next one, we have YNAB, which also stands for You Need a Budget. While YNAB is typically a paid application, but if you're a student, then you will get an entire year for free. Unlike Mint, YNAB doesn't just track your spending. It helps you plan every dollar ahead of time using a zero-based budgeting system. This method is great for getting out of debt, saving aggressively, and improving financial discipline. If you're a student or someone who wants to be proactive about money, YNAB is a powerful budgeting tool. Next up, we have Empower. Empower is a newer AI-driven budgeting application that not only tracks your spending but also helps you save automatically. The application analyzes your transactions, identifies unnecessary spending, and even negotiates lower bills for you. Unlike Mint, which focuses on tracking, Empower actively finds ways to save you money. If you want a smarter budgeting assistant that does more than just record expenses, Empower is worth checking out. Next up, we have Goodbudget. Goodbudget is based on the traditional envelope budgeting method, where you divide your income into specific categories like rent, groceries, and entertainment. Unlike Mint or Empower, Goodbudget does not sync with your bank accounts, meaning you'll manually enter expenses. This hands-on approach is perfect for people who want to be more mindful of their spending and stick to strict budgeting limits. And last but not least, we have Pocket Guard. If you struggle with overspending, Pocket Guard is designed to keep you on track. It connects to your bank account and automatically calculates how much money you have left to spend after accounting for bills, savings, and essential expenses. The In My Pocket features shows you a real-time spendable cash, making it easier to stay within budget. Unlike Mint, which focuses only on tracking past expenses, Pocket Guard helps you plan ahead and avoid financial mistakes. So, which is best? Let me give you a recap. Mint is best for automated tracking and spending insights. YNAB is best for zero-based budgeting and debt payoff. Empower is best for AI-driven savings and bill negotiations. Goodbudget is best for manual envelope budgeting. And Pocket Guard is best for stopping overspending and real-time money management. So, which budgeting app do you use? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more personal finance tips and money-saving hacks.